Ever wondered how yoga can transform your life? Picture this. You wake up in the morning, the sun is just beginning to peek over the horizon. You roll out your mat and begin to flow through a series of movements, each one connecting your body, mind, and spirit. This is the power of yoga. But what exactly are these movements, these poses, and what benefits do they offer? Well, allow me to guide you through this journey of self-discovery. Imagine this. The first pose, also known as the mountain pose or Tadasana. Picture yourself standing tall, feet grounded, arms by your sides. This pose may seem simple, yet it's the foundation of all standing poses in yoga, promoting posture, balance, and calm focus. Next, visualize the downward-facing dog or Adho Mukha Svanasana. Imagine yourself in an inverted V shape, hands and feet planted firmly on the ground, tailbone reaching towards the sky. This pose not only strengthens the whole body, but also encourages fresh blood flow and invigorates the nervous system. Now take a moment to imagine the warrior pose or Virabhadrasana. Picture yourself in a lunge, 1 foot forward, arms reaching towards the sky. This powerful pose cultivates strength, stamina, and flexibility, all while instilling a warrior-like determination within you. Picture this. The tree pose or Vrksasana. Imagine balancing on 1 foot, the other resting against your inner thigh, hands joined in prayer position. This pose is not just about physical balance, but also about achieving mental equilibrium, promoting focus and tranquility. And finally, visualize the corpse pose or Savasana. Picture yourself lying flat on your back, arms and legs relaxed, eyes closed. Despite its morbid name, this pose is all about deep relaxation and rejuvenation, a perfect way to end your yoga practice. To recap, we've journeyed through the mountain pose promoting posture and balance, the downward-facing dog encouraging fresh blood flow, the warrior pose cultivating strength and stamina, the tree pose promoting focus and tranquility, and finally, the corpse pose for deep relaxation. Each of these poses, each of these movements, carries with it a unique set of benefits, a unique opportunity for growth and transformation. So, whether you're looking to improve your physical health, seeking mental clarity, or desiring a deeper connection with yourself, yoga offers a path towards achieving these goals. Remember, however, that yoga is not a competition. It's a personal journey, one that's unique to each individual. It's about listening to your body, respecting its limits, and nurturing its growth. So, as you embark on your yoga journey, keep these principles in mind. In the grand scheme of things, yoga is far more than just a series of poses. It's a holistic practice that unifies the body, mind, and spirit, promoting overall wellness and peace. So, as you roll out your mat each morning, remember, you're not just doing yoga, you're living it.